Today, I want to show you how you can easily get an oil filter off without the oil filter tool. This is a great trick. You're going to need a tow strap and a little bit of leverage. All right, so these oil filters are notoriously hard to come off. I did put a little bit of tape around there just for a little bit of a grippy surface. It's a little bit better than the metal itself. I'm going to go ahead and take my tow strap. And what you want to do is you want to loop it around twice or 3 times if you can, as many times as you think necessary. So we got one loop. Reach in there, grab it, get a second loop. And you want to pull this as tight as you can. You got to make sure it's really tight. And have the hook here just barely sticking out so you can fit some leverage in there. Get that really tight. And then you take your bar or your wrench or any type of nice tool, and you're going to want to put it underneath the hook, just like this. And then hold your other spot really tight. And then as you use your leverage, you start to pull up, and as you can see, that oil filter started turning. And then you may have to go back and adjust a little bit. Make sure it's all really tight all over again. Get your leverage. Pull on that strap to make sure it's good and tight. And there we go. Now you can take that oil filter off by hand when you're ready to, after you've changed your oil. And that's a very simple trick that I learned, and I figured it was something good for everyone to learn. And now you don't need that tool anymore. So thank you guys. Have a good one.